The slim skin around the eye area makes it extra susceptible to the effects of aging and is normally the top place women start to see changes. Bags under the eyes are caused by weak collagen and also elastin fibers. In order to preserve a vibrant look, make use of an eye cream that deals with wrinkles as part of your everyday skincare regimen. One of the most helpful eye items will not simply smooth out your creases yet deliver multiple benefits that will substantially enhance the wellness as well as the appearance of your eye skin. Suggestions that you can make use of on just how to deal with under eye creases using an eye cream. Do anti-aging eye creams actually function? Although there has actually been some dispute about whether making use of anti-aging eye cream is truly required, the tried and tested outcomes of using them are undeniable. Some say that anti-aging eye lotion is just face cream in smaller product packaging with a filled with air cost. But the fact is, an anti-aging eye cream is made specifically to target the area around the eye, which is completely different from the rest of your face. Carefully pinch the skin under your eye, you'll discover that it really feels a whole lot thinner than when you pinch your cheeks. Because the skin around your eyes is so slim, it is much more sensitive as well as fragile than the rest of your body. Equally, as you would certainly treat a child's skin with care, you must do the same around your eyes. That's why an anti-aging eye lotion, a good one at the very least, is different from your day-to-day moisturizer. There are numerous elements taken into account when an eye cream is developed. Targeted treatment with anti-aging eye creams. Anti-aging eye lotions focus on treating popular skin treatment problems like fine lines, crow's feet, dark circles, as well as bags under the eyes. The slim skin around the eye area makes it extra susceptible to the effects of aging and is normally the top place women start to see changes. A great anti-aging eye lotion reinforces that sensitive skin to assist protect it from both environmental variables as well as the all-natural aging procedure. Think about it as giving the thin skin around your eyes with a thicker shield. A lot of times females will discover this start of crow's feet around the eyes, however, will not have creases or various other age-related skin issues anywhere else on their face. If this holds true for you, it wouldn't make sense to make use of an all-over wrinkle-fighting facial moisturizer as well as just extend it up in the direction of your eye location. Doing that could really trigger unfavorable side effects. If you're simply using a facial moisturizer instead of an anti-aging eye lotion, you're risking irritation to the eye, tearing, or perhaps an allergy since the product you're using is designed to treat more resilient locations. Why do eye creases come to be the first noticeable wrinkles on the majority of people? This is the result of each individual's eyes blinking approximately over 10,000 times each day. Such recurring growth and tightening of the skin and underlying musculature around the eye over time can create the collagen as well as elastin fibers around the eyes to break down faster than on other parts of the body. Dark circles under the eyes are triggered by weak veins that leakage blood and hence trigger discoloration, which can ultimately result in an irreversible bruised look around the eyes. Due to the fact that the skin around the eye is just 1/10th the thickness of the rest of the skin on your face, any kind of dripping from your veins around the eyes comes to be noticeably faster than it would in various other areas. Bags under the eyes are caused by weak collagen and also elastin fibers. Those weak fibers permit stationary liquid from your lymph system to back up under the eyes, as well as the fat that cushions the balls of your eyes after that starts drooping, which creates that bags under the eyes look. Rather, you wish to invest in a good anti-aging eye lotion that is particularly developed to target creases where you're really seeing them, which brings us to our next point. Components in anti-aging eye creams. Face creams can in some cases be too harsh around the eye location. Anti-aging eye creams, on the other hand, have been made with the expertise and understanding that the customer will certainly be applying the product around an extremely delicate location that requires extra caution as well as interest. The ingredients in anti-aging eye lotions are specifically chosen due to the fact that they won't cause irritation or pain. Anti-aging eye cream manufacturers do various professional examinations as well as tests to guarantee that there are no active ingredients that will obstruct the glands around the eyes, which can lead to an unpleasant, and unpleasant sty. Exactly how to use an anti-aging eye lotion. Anti-aging eye lotions come in dimensions varying from 6 to 30 milliliters, since a little goes a long way since it's quickly taken in by the thinner skin. A pea-size amount is normally sufficient for one application. Always start by applying your sunscreen first and wait till it's completely absorbed. Then, using your third finger, gently pat the anti-aging eye cream along the bone under your eye. Function your way up to under your eyebrow, but prevent the eyelids. Wait till the anti-aging eye lotion has actually soaked up before applying any type of makeup. In order to preserve a vibrant look, make use of an eye cream that deals with wrinkles as part of your everyday skincare regimen. The leading anti-aging eye creams include different wrinkle busters, from vitamin A to natural botanicals. Make your option by assessing active ingredients to identify which lotion ideal addresses your personal issues. Before going to active ingredients to identify which anti-aging lotion is ideal for you, can we ask you to please subscribe to support this channel? It will cost you nothing and will mean a lot for us for the hard work we put on each video. Thanks so much. You are truly awesome. Vitamin Eye Creams. Retinol, much more generally known as vitamin A, is maybe the preeminent component for lowering the depth of lines and also wrinkles on the surface of the skin. This helps in reducing the opportunity of redness, peeling, and irritability in the fragile eye location by providing a bearable yet reliable dose. Eye cream with vitamin C. Vitamin C, an effective antioxidant, battles totally free radicals, a result of the cell metabolic process in your body. Free radicals are believed to assault healthy proteins, fats, and DNA, and break down collagen, resulting in lines as well as wrinkles. Anti-wrinkle eye creams that consist of vitamin C are leading in the anti-aging group because of their ability to minimize lines while firming and lightening up the skin. Eye cream with Botanicals. Skincare with botanically obtained anti-aging ingredients is getting popularity. Quercetin, located in tea, apple skin, red grapes, red onions as well as berries, promotes collagen production, hence decreasing the look of creases. As the name suggests, quercetin and oak anti-aging anti-wrinkle eye lotion consists of quercetin, the very first natural, medically proven alternative to retinol. Eye cream with hyaluronic acid. Hyaluronic acid, a humectant that holds up to 1,000 times its weight in water, can plump wrinkled skin, giving it the look of reduced wrinkles. Eye cream with peptides. Peptides are amino acids that function as chemical messengers in the body. When it concerns skin treatment, chains of peptides in anti-wrinkle eye creams boost collagen manufacturing. This, consequently, reduces the appearance of lines as well as creases. Do they work? Anti-aging eye creams for dark circles and wrinkles under the eyes? You can be certain regarding it. You can attain the appearance of a 20-year-old even when you're 40 with the help of the very best eye cream that matches your skin. Eye lotions aid finish your method for stopping as well as remedying creases as well as other visible indicators of skin aging that show up around your eye location. What to utilize for creases around the eyes? One of the most helpful eye items will not simply smooth out your creases yet deliver multiple benefits that will substantially enhance the wellness as well as the appearance of your eye skin. Here are the leading ingredients that the best eye creams are created with. Vitamin K. This ingredient delivers several benefits for your eye skin. Initially, it works to fix skin coloring, which efficiently lightens as well as brightens your eye area. Second, it strengthens your or else breakable and also damage-prone eye skin. Therefore, your skin becomes better secured from damaging factors. Anti-inflammatory components. One of the most efficient ingredients for this feature consists of rice bran and soybean healthy protein, arnica montana, and also chamomile essence. Antioxidants. These protective and skin-renewing active ingredients are originated from all natural sources that include essential oils, in addition to fruit and also plant extracts. Skin moisturizers and also hydrators, two of the most efficient components that also take place to be extensively used in skincare items are squalane as well as hyaluronic acid. Both ingredients aid maintain your skin shielded from drying, making use of slightly different devices. Squalane is contributed to eye creams to deliver a wetness boost. On the other hand, hyaluronic acid pulls in moisture from the environments to make your skin plumper and also appear dear. Hyaluronic acid, found naturally in the skin, hyaluronic acid accumulates in water, helping to moisturize and plump up the skin. Sometimes under-eye wrinkles are the result of dry skin conditions, and also hyaluronic acid is well studied and revealed to help reduce the signs of aging. Retinol, this acquired vitamin increases collagen production and promotes cell renewal to help reduce the signs of aging. Because the skin under the eyes is so sensitive, the dermatologists we spoke to recommended products with reasonably low concentrations of retinol. Sunscreen, without proper safety, UV rays degrade collagen and age skin. Sadly, SPF can be difficult to find in eye lotions, so supplement with your facial sunscreen if necessary. Antioxidants, vitamin C and E, ferulic acid, and also berries help reduce oxidative stress due to UV rays or pollutants, says Dr. Rao. Antioxidants also improve the appearance of large lines and wrinkles. Just how to choose the most effective eye cream for wrinkles, Professional's Guide. So you assume you now know exactly how to correct under-eye creases? It's not as easy as you think, particularly when you understand there are a lot of items with very different formulas that you can pick from. Actually, the most effective eye cream for creases might not be an excellent eye hank or dark circles. Listed here are several suggestions that you can make use of on just how to deal with under-eye creases using an eye cream. Start by re-evaluating your skin kind. Just because you've constantly had oily skin, that does not mean that your skin still remains to be on the oilier side. Remember that maturing skin usually reveals as dry skin. Search for products that enhance your skin type. Currently, you can narrow down your search to include only the items that fit your skin type. Drier skin types will be able to endure heavier lotions, including those that are created with thick moisturizers and also skin conditioners. If you have an oilier skin kind, you must stay away from these products and get those that have a sheerer consistency. If you're trying out a product for the very first time, ask for examples and opt for those that are covered by the refund guarantees so you can return these without fees if it does not function well with your skin. Know what to try to find? Look for the most effective ingredients you can obtain from an eye lotion, provided above. You ought to additionally review your product choices by knowing which active ingredients you must avoid. That includes artificial fragrances, man-made dyes, and drying alcohols even if you do not have sensitive or responsive skin. There are countless eye creams readily available on the market today, making it appear almost impossible to find the right one that satisfies our specific under-eye requirements. It is vital to discover a product that has actually been created to resolve a selection of complicated eye location troubles. You are an amazing person. Wow, you came to the very end of this video. Can you do us a favor and subscribe and activate the bell? At the very least, it would be very appreciated from the bottom of our hearts. Also, if it is possible, like, share and comment. You deserve a rich life. God bless you forever.